Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Sichandana, studying 8th class, ZPHS Kanpally.
My name is Divesri. I am studying in 8th class. I am from PNC ZPHS Kanpally.
Title of the project: Automatic Grain Differential Smart Loop for Cloths. Introduction. The automatic grain differential smart loop for cloths is an innovative system designed to provide a convenient and efficient solution for drying cloths outdoors.
Components: rain sensor, server motor, and Arduino Uno board, buzzer, jumper wires, power supply.
What happened?
Working principles: the rain sensor detects rain and sends a signal of the central unit. The central unit will process the signal to activate the motor. The motor retracts or cover the max rope and protect the cloths from rain.
Automatic grain differential and response, waterproof and durable smart roof, adjustable cloth slide for various clothing types, and energy efficient and low maintenance, computable with solar powers for eco-friendly lines.
Benefits of the project: convention, energy saving, and increasing lifespans, space saving.